Discharge through delivery. Why mailing a security is legal acceptance in commerce. What if simply mailing a piece of paper could cancel a debt, discharge a contract, or satisfy a financial obligation in full? In this episode, we expose how delivery in commerce, particularly via registered or certified mail, acts as legal acceptance under UCC law, and why most people have no idea they're already holding the keys to lawful discharge in their own hands. In commercial law, the moment of legal discharge does not require a verbal agreement or a hand-delivered handshake. It requires delivery. According to UCC Section 3 to 420 and Section 3 to 603, once a negotiable instrument has been delivered to the payee or holder, it is deemed accepted. The act of mailing a properly executed instrument via certified or registered mail and obtaining a return signature constitutes legal acceptance by operation of law. This principle traces back to common law contract doctrine, where delivery with intent to transfer ownership perfects the transaction. If a borrower endorses a promissory note without recourse and delivers it to a lender, that lender's receipt and retention of the instrument completes the discharge process, even if the lender feigns ignorance or fails to act. In practical application, many administrative processes, discharge of debt, cancellation of contracts, or settlement of claims, can be lawfully executed by mail. When the recipient signs for the delivery, a presumption arises that the document was not only received, but accepted, unless rebutted immediately and formally. This rule is fortified by Federal Rules of Evidence Section 301, which allows for presumptions of fact based on uncontested delivery and receipt. The power of this process lies in its formality and timing. Courts, agencies, and financial institutions cannot claim ignorance of documents that they have accepted through registered channels. By certifying the delivery and maintaining proof of both mailing and receipt, the sender establishes a prima facie case of lawful performance. This is why many legal practitioners, administrative claimants, and contract litigants rely on the mailing process itself to effectuate lawful transfer, rather than face-to-face confrontation. It is not merely procedural, it is legally dispositive. Footnote: this section establishes that delivery of an endorsed instrument via certified or registered mail constitutes legal acceptance and discharge under UCC and evidentiary law.